Hello again, this is Crazy Canuck coming at you. Nice cold day out, minus 20s Celsius, so keep warm if you're in Canada or the northern US. Taking a break from one of my projects, rendering some beeswax, and I may as well start another one. We're going to plant some potatoes and onions in a container indoors, and we'll see if we can't get something growing. I don't have a south-facing window, so I might have to get a little creative with lighting, but that's what we're going to give a shot to here. I'm going to get everything set up, and I'll show you what I've done. Okay, so I've chose a few potatoes here, two actually, that already have some sprouts started. One is a netted gem, and one is an heirloom variety, Purple Russian. You see a little sprout there. I've cleaned up some onions. These are the Egyptian walking onions that had the high bricks on another video. And I've put those around the outside. If you're just getting started growing your own food, and which is very advisable in the coming grand solar minimum, potatoes are probably one of the easiest things to start with to get your feet wet growing if you've never done it before. It's also a very good staple food. And of course you can't have potatoes without onions, so you may as well start growing some onions, which are also fairly easy plant to grow. So I'll just add some soil to the top here, and I'll show you that. Alright, I've added about 2 inches of topsoil. I've used some onions that actually had a sprout started, so that'll get them off to a quick start as well. This soil came out of my greenhouse, out of the containers. A lot of compost in this to really get a good biological going. I also like to add red wigglers. There's one there. These are my little composting buddies. I'll be adding a few more before I finish up here. Some of this soil will compact around what I've planted, and it'll also give me more room to add more soil once the potatoes, if they start to form potatoes that are going to emerge out of the soil. It'd be like hilling them. I'll just add more soil on top of this to keep the potatoes underground. This is one very quick and easy way to start growing your own food. You can get containers, whatever works for you. I can show some pictures on another video of different things. Oh, there's a nice size one. So I can show some pictures of what I've done in the past on another video, and we'll go from there. We'll see how this takes off, and see how I have to adapt things since we don't have a south-facing window. We're going to have to get a little creative with lighting. So that's it for this video. Just a little quick get growing and produce some food and have some fun. So that's it for now from the Crazy Canuck. Subscribe if you haven't, like if you like, and we'll talk again soon.